So my appeal to the government is to open training for all the stakeholders, including the media people, so that these people can have a forum, a way of communicating with the rest of the world, so that we don't leave them to communicate among themselves. Many a time, when we have meetings and gatherings, you may find the two or one, if they are two, they are sitting somewhere and communicating among themselves, not on the agenda that is being articulated, but on their own, because they don't understand what is going on. How we wish as teachers that we have enough interpreters in all public gatherings, so that their participation is realized, including the churches. You may find they don't come there. They will end up, unless they see you jumping, clapping, and they say now you are singing, they don't get what you are doing. How we wish that we also have interpreters in churches. And you as the media, I think you can propagate this issue and articulate it to reach to the level that that will be implemented. We have so many teachers stagnating in one job group for a very long time. Yeah, true. Others borrowed money from banks with the hope that once they attain higher grades, they will be promoted and hence have higher pay and therefore higher borrowing power to repay the loan that they took to undertake the course that one was taking. We would wish them to reconsider and promote these teachers. I'm sure our head office, headed by Brother Collins or you, are pursuing this issue.